everyone. So I've got a yawning challenge for everyone. Okay, so the basic challenge. So we're gonna see how long you can yawn. A yawn for 1 to 2 seconds is grade 1. A yawn for 3 to 4 seconds is grade 2. A yawn for 5 seconds is grade 3. Grade 3 is the and a yawn for 7 seconds is grade 4. Yawn for 10 seconds is grade 5. So, see how long you can yawn? Please tell me in the comments below. And please subscribe. Yeah. Well, before we go, let's test how long I can do it. 3, 2, 1, go. 3, 2, 1, go. Sorry, let's restart. 3, 2, 1, go. Then for 10 seconds. Oh my god, that was quite difficult. Well, just tell me in the comments how long you can do it, what grade you got, and please subscribe and like, and feel free to like this video. Also, whatever you do, don't dislike it. Yeah, okay. Okay, see you in the next video.